Okay, so I got my roses out. They're a bit sedated. And just like a couple more for the thumbnail. Oops, they're actually falling. Okay, that should be enough. Yeah, so back to reality because I was just like posing just now. Hi guys, it's Shawna and I'm back with another video. I am here to show you how to make a edible, yes I said edible, rose lip scrub. And it tastes really good. So you need sugar, more grainy sugar, other sugar that's like really soft. You could use that as well, but I like the grainy sugar. You just for preference. And coconut oil. You could use coconut oil, you could use olive oil, you could use argan oil. It really just adds on to your preference. I love the smell of the coconut oil and how it feels on my lip. I actually just tried it out and like I was eating it. I was like, with farther ado, no more waiting. Make sure to like and subscribe and let's dive right into it.
Okay, first step is blend lightly. Second step is put in bowl. Third step, add sugar. Fourth step, add oil. And mix it all together.
The finished product is going to look something like this depending on your color roses. These rose petals turned into these. Okay, that's for the thumbnail, whatever. But yeah, it's edible 100%. Should I test it out? I don't know if I should or not. I guess I will. But yeah, let's test it out, shall we? I have naturally dark lips, like I said previously, but literally just scoop it up. It's better to get the roses. It really just gonna lather all on you. And you just... You could zoom in on my lips if you wanna. Cut! Cut it. Inappropriate for YouTube. Inappropriate. Yeah. You literally just... I don't know if you can see a difference. The aftermath, this is what your product should look like. And I have not relayered, so you can kind of still see that it still has that plumpness. And it, like, you literally see the result in front of your face. So why not try it? It's literally, what, sugar is like $5, olive oil, coconut oil, probably like another $5, $10 for 6 months worth of rose lip scrub. Your boyfriend will thank you. And your girlfriend. Wink, wink. Yeah. I don't know if you know this, but I'm a real sweetheart. And I like gifting my friends. So if you want to become my friend, subscribe, like, comment, and you know, maybe we can work something out. Maybe you'll get one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. I have something to show you guys. I bought these like cute little jars, so when I gift them to people who I love, they're gonna get like rose water, rose scrub, and rose toner. I think it's super cute. I love it so much. And if you want to see the final product, you can follow me on Instagram. I post everything on there. My Instagram is Flexible Shawna, and I'll see you there. Tell me if you did it or not.